Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive while others struggle? What's the secret sauce behind their success? Welcome to our deep dive into the growth mindset, a transformative concept that can change your life forever. In this video, we're going to uncover the essence of a growth mindset and how it empowers individuals to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and achieve continuous improvement. Are you ready to unlock your potential? So, what exactly is a growth mindset? It's the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset creates a love for learning and resilience, essential for great accomplishments. Did you know that cultivating a growth mindset can enhance your relationships too? When you embrace challenges rather than avoiding them, you create deeper connections and foster collaboration. Let's dive deeper into the power of mental toughness. Mental toughness is about how you respond to adversity. It's not just about enduring difficulty but thriving in it. Think of it as your mental armor that fortifies you against life's challenges. Studies show that mentally tough individuals are more likely to achieve their goals. They remain focused, handle stress efficiently, and persevere through setbacks. Want to be one of them? Let's explore some techniques. Before we dive into practical techniques, if you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support helps us bring more insightful content your way. Let's take a moment to reflect on Stoic philosophy. It teaches us that while we can't control external events, we can control our reactions. This powerful perspective shift is at the heart of developing mental toughness. The Stoics believed in focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot. This mindset fosters resilience and helps maintain emotional balance, especially during turbulent times. Let's explore some Stoic techniques. Now, how do we rewire our thinking patterns? One powerful way is through mindfulness and cognitive restructuring. By practicing awareness and challenging negative thoughts, we can shift our mindset from limiting beliefs to empowering ones. Incorporating daily affirmations can also help in rewiring. Repeating positive statements reinforces the belief in your capabilities and fosters a growth-oriented mindset. What affirmations will you start using today? Let's recap what we've learned. A growth mindset enables you to embrace challenges, mental toughness equips you to handle adversity, stoicism teaches emotional control, and rewiring your thoughts can transform your life. As we conclude, remember that the journey to a growth mindset is ongoing. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch how your life begins to change. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. In our next video, we'll explore the role of emotional intelligence in achieving success. Stay tuned for more insights that can elevate your personal and professional life.